Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can create a custom camera filter on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen open up the camera app. Next, in here we want to tap on the filter button at the top. Next, tap on the filters tab, then tap on the add button at the bottom here. From the pop-up, tap on create filter. Next, in here, swipe all the way down and then select a picture that you want to use. For example, I'm going to select this picture right here. In here, you can tap on the picture, and from here you can readjust your reference area. Then tap on done. Next, at the top here, you can also give your filter a name. And then tap on rename, and then tap on create. And that's it. Once you have created your own filter, you can then take the shot. So here I can capture the photo, and these are my custom filters that I have just created. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.